High converting CTAs shouldn't require complex column nesting. Today we are mastering the ElementsKit call to action section. Before we dive in, let's talk tech. You only need the free version of Elementor and the free version of ElementsKit. No Pro required. Why build from scratch when you can start at the finish line? ElementsKit provides a library of professional ready-made templates that are ready to go. Simply browse the collection first. Here I'm searching for call to action. And there are multiple options. You can choose the one as per your need. I'm choosing the first one. Then you just have to click insert and you have got a pixel perfect layout. It's not just a shortcut. It's how you crush tight deadlines without sacrificing design quality. So, in the content tab, you can choose your layout. In the content tab, here are an option called label. In the label, purchase now is written. If you want to change it, you just can edit it from here. See? Then there is an option called URL. You can add the URL links here also. Then in the settings tab, we can see that here is add icon. If you click yes, then it will give you the opportunity to add icons here. So ElementsKit gives you a massive library where you can find your icons. There are so many options, so you can choose the one you need. Then there is another option which is called upload SVG. You can upload SVG files also. Then we have icon position. If you were adding any icon here, you can add the icons before the text or after the text, as there is no icon, so it's not showing up here. But if you want, you can add it. And then we have alignment. You can keep it in the center, in the right, or in the left. I think it looks so well in the left, so I'm keeping it here. Then we have options called class and ID. If you want, you can add also. Oh, one more thing, make sure you activated all the widgets that you want to use for this call to action section. Now we have the style tab. This is your UI UX playground. Start with the box settings. Use a subtle gradient and a soft box shadow to create depth. So you can change the white. Keeping it like this. Okay. Then we have options called padding, typography. See, you can see it's moving. And then we have typography. So you can change the fonts here. I'm keeping it like this. Yeah, it looks well. Then we have text shadow. There's an option called normal and another option which is hover. You can edit the both. After that, we have the option called border. And in the border option, the border type is solid. So I'm keeping it in the solid option. Then you can also change the white and the color. So I think the color looks, yeah. After that, you can change the shadow and the icon from here also. So in the icon, I'm changing the font size. Finally, switch to the advanced tab. A subtle fade in up entrance animation ensures your CTA commands attention the moment it scrolls into view. Always check your work. Use the responsive toggle to ensure your text alignment and padding look perfect on mobile devices. Clean, professional, and optimized. You just built a high-performance CTA in under 3 minutes. And if you want, you can change the contents from here also. If you want to add some images as per your need. So this basically will help you to save a lot of time. So yeah, that was all. Thank you. If you're ready to streamline your design process, grab ElementsKit at the link below. Subscribe for more expert Elementor workflows. See you in the next one.